Before we had our first child, an older guy that knew we were going to have a baby came up to me and said, I had 4 kids and I didn't change a diaper once. Somehow the guy was proud of that. Maybe he was old school, and who knows what his relationship is like with his children. But knowing how to change a diaper is part of parenting. It gives us an opportunity to bond with our baby. In this video, I'm going to walk you through each step on how to change a diaper. At the end of this video, you will be a baby changing expert. Hey guys, I'm Jason Kreidman and welcome to another episode of Dad University. We release a new dad advice video every Thursday. So be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of these videos. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be changing the baby's diaper on the floor. You might have a changing station or something else set up in your house. But you'll be prepared because you're going to have to change the baby's diaper in all kinds of scenarios. Step 1, have everything near you. You want to check your surroundings and make sure you have everything you need. I've got a blanket, or if you got a pad, I've got my wipes, and I got my diapers. Pretty simple. Certainly if you have diaper cream or you're using something else, that's fine. But you're going to want to make sure that you've got everything because the last thing you want to do is be in the middle of changing a dirty diaper and realize that your wipes are in the other room. Step 2, put your child on a flat, comfortable surface. When my son was born, we had a changing station and that can work really well. Here's an expert tip. If you can put the baby's head a little bit higher than the feet, maybe you've got a wedge or something that is sturdy, that can also make them very comfortable. Step 3, always have one hand on the baby, or at least know that the baby is secure. If you're in a situation like this where you're on the floor, there's not much that can happen. But oftentimes people will change the baby on top of a dresser in a changing station, or the baby might be off the ground. So in those instances, you're just going to want to make sure that your hand is very close or on the baby at all times. Step 4, put a clean diaper under the current one. So you might be thinking, well, I don't want to get the clean diaper dirty, but most likely you won't. But it's certainly better to get a diaper dirty than the pad or blanket or carpet. So what you do is you open up the diaper, and most diapers will have these tabs. You're gonna put the tabs under the baby towards their back. So you're gonna lift up their feet and then put the diaper under them with the tab sticking out. Step 5, open the dirty diaper. So you're gonna take the tabs, you're gonna open them up. Now, what happens is that often when a baby hits the open air, they have a tendency to go to the bathroom again. It just happens. And when you're learning to change a baby's diaper, it's going to happen. So slowly open up the diaper, and if they are going to the bathroom still, just cover it back up, talk to your baby, and enjoy the time. So the baby's all done, you're gonna open up the diaper, and this brings us to step 6, which is wipe the baby clean. You're going to lift the legs of the baby, grab your wipe, and proceed to wipe the baby clean. Now, keep in mind, especially if you have a baby girl, you're gonna wanna make sure you wipe from front to back, just to avoid any chance of infection. So we're gonna wipe, baby's clean. Step 7, remove the dirty diaper and the wipes. So you have the dirty diaper here, you're gonna roll it up. You can lay the baby down on the fresh diaper that's ready to go, and then use the tabs to close the dirty diaper. This brings us to step 8, which is apply diaper cream. Now, my wife and I, we would apply diaper cream nearly every time we changed our baby's diapers. We just wanted to avoid diaper rash instead of waiting until it happened. So it was really easy to do. It was just part of our routine. If you're not comfortable or you don't like to use your bare skin to apply the cream, then just use a wipe. You can wrap the wipe around your finger and apply the cream that way. It was really easy to do. Step 9, secure the clean diaper. We've already put the clean diaper in place, and this is often a concern when someone's learning to change a baby's diaper, is that it's positioned correctly. So we just want to make sure we bring up the bottom of the diaper, and then you secure it with the tabs. Pretty easy. If the baby has an umbilical cord stump, you're gonna probably want to fold down the diaper a little bit just so that it's a little bit more comfortable and there's not any skin irritation. And there you have it. You throw the diaper away and you wash your hands and then maybe wipe off your baby's hands as well. Here's a bonus tip. Make changing your baby's diaper a fun experience. This isn't a chore. This is an opportunity to bond with your baby, talk with your baby, kiss your baby. It's a positive experience, and so you want to make sure that you have that mindset. I'd love to hear from you. Did you just have a baby or about to have a baby? Leave your feedback in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, you don't want to miss what we have for you in our other videos. We'll see you next week.